Want to make money online? YouTube is a great way. You can make money even if you don't make videos yourself. This is called YouTube automation. You hire people to do the work. You make money while others work. YouTube automation has many benefits. You save time because you don't film or edit. You can scale your business, make many channels on different topics. It's like owning a TV channel without a camera crew. You are the boss. You decide what shows to make. You can make money even when you sleep. Imagine waking up richer every day. This is the power of online business. First, pick a topic. This is your niche. What are you passionate about? What do people search for online? Next, find someone to make your videos. Websites like Fiverr have freelancers. They can create scripts, voiceovers, and edit videos for you. Pick a catchy name for your channel. This is your brand. Upload your videos regularly. The more videos you have, the more people will find you. Once you have videos, you can start making money. The most common way is through ads. YouTube shows ads on your videos. You earn money when people watch these ads. You can also make money with affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products in your videos. You get a commission when someone buys through your link. Sponsorships are another way to earn. Companies pay you to talk about their products in your videos. Pick a niche with lots of viewers. Research popular keywords and trends. Use catchy titles and thumbnails for your videos. This will make people click. Promote your videos on social media. The more people watch, the more you earn. Starting a business takes time and effort. Don't give up if you don't see results right away. Be patient, be consistent, and you can succeed on YouTube.